I hope I fall in that 3-foot hole. Break my legs.
I hope there's like
I fell into the trenches and like landed right next to Connor.
Yeah, I know. He's like, watch out. And then,
Hey,
like,
watch
he
this. I'm gonna
jumps
hit
in,
one
he's,
of
like,
them.
upside down.
They didn't call it. That's worse than Alex.
What?
Alright guys,
listen up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go! Oh, there's a trench! Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, shit.
Where are they at?
Right around the corner. Yep. Looks like they're trying to arc them at it.
Oh, I shouldn't have ran up here.
You got them?
No. This spot sucks dick.
Damn it, I got
Hey, hey, sit down.
Oh, okay.
Fucking rock.
Yeah, fucking rock. You tell it. Get out of here. Can't go anywhere. There's no man's land over there.
Oh, I know.
So go for the run, go to the trenches, what do you say?
I think I'm gonna go for river bottom.
Alright, I'll try to cover you.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Cover!
Fuck!
Chase, there's a guy directly ahead of you, behind the white tarp. To your left. To your left. Red shirt, red shirt.
Hey, I'm moving.
Where are they?
White thing still.
Shooting freaking gangster style.
Watch out, they're up here. Yeah, yeah.
Ow, fuck! Like rolled an ankle. He's friendly, he's friendly.
No, he just got shot from somewhere. Get your high cap out of here. Move that way. Split up.
25 feet out. 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, about 3 contacts.
About 3?
About 3,
Okay.
possibly more.
Who threw the smoke right in the bushes?
Love that? No, I got shot by a ref.
What a dumbass. Who threw it right there?
That guy hit her, so hey, it was an accident. Sorry, dude. You're all walking that slide.
Fucking Brandon.
Get a shot me. I was being nice to know you.
There's two behind cover right there.
Bastard.
Where?
Far, about 50 yards out.
50 yards? That's a lot. Okay.
Maybe 40, somewhere around that range.
There's a ref that shot me.
He's like directly ahead of you behind the bushes. Laying prone.
Yeah, I'm on your team. Now it's actually doing something. Hey, hit up that right side. Right up there. See, I don't think so, but see how there's cover so we can get them from both sides, whatever way they come. Let's go.
Hey, you're out of bounds on top of that ridge line there, dude. I stopped him. One. Two of them. Oh, I'm sorry. Ref coming through the brush. Ref coming through. Referee, coming through.
See ya. Me neither. Oh man, does that smoke smell? Alright, let's rush up to that ridge line. Let's go up to there. Let's go up to the ridge line. Hey, spread out, spread out. Hey, it's us. Fucking us. We're on your fucking team. We're on your fucking team. We're on your fucking team. We're on your... We're on your team.
Oh, okay, cool. Go through the tree.
If you want to squeeze your way through them, yeah. Actually, it might be out of bounds. He's right up on that ridge.
Cool.
Right up on the ridge.
You dead, man. We're going back to respawn, guys.
Anyone?
No.
The ridge to your left, that's where they got shot from.
No one's on the ridge line.
Took over the wash. I'm glad I couldn't see people pushing
Oh, hit.
I got him.
They fucking respawned.
big chain up.
Connor.
Thomas, my body's low. Body's low.
Good shot.
Man, that was a lucky hit. He got my gun.